Did you know you can make taco salad shells in the air fryer? Well, you can. Let me show you how. Really? We're gonna need tortillas, these taco salad shell containers, and some cooking spray. And what we're gonna do is spray these with non-stick cooking spray, like so. Grab our tortillas. And place these inside. We're going to preheat our air fryer to bake for 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. So let me get that going real quick. Oh, these are going to work one at a time. Okay. After 10 minutes. Oh man, that is dark. Which is fine. I hate dogs. Because you gotta let these sit out for a little bit to cool off. We'll put that over there. That's after 10 minutes. Let's see what happens after 8. Once again, we're preheating for 400 degrees and on bake for 8 minutes. Add food because it's already up to temperature. Let's see how this turns out after 8 minutes. Put this in there. Now we're using an orange one. After 8 minutes, this is how mine came out. Not as dark as the other one, but still beautifully. Alright, so you let these sit for 5 minutes. Alright. You ready? Ready for the crunch? That's the whole point of a taco salad. Oh. Now we're going to fill it up with whatever we have available. Tonight we have margarita chicken. That's what I made in the slow cooker. Let me throw some in here. Top it with a little bit of onion. But yeah, if this helped, if you could leave a like and a comment, it would help a lot. Hope you have a great night and wonderful eating.